Fireparts has an extensive collection of over 10,000 manuals that can easily be accessed through our website. Our manuals lookup can be found by hovering over Manuals in our menu and clicking on Manuals Lookup from the drop-down menu. For ease of access, you can also simply click on the word Manuals, which will take you to the same page. To find a manual, select the name of the manufacturer from our drop-down list. You can also use our search bar to find the manufacturer. If you prefer, you can look through the list to find the model you're looking for. You can also search for it using our search bar. Once you have located the model, you'll find either the installation manual, parts list, or both. If a manual or parts list is available, you can click on the corresponding link to access it. You can then view the manual or parts list on the page. You can also click the View PDF button near the top of the page to open the PDF in a separate tab. If you wish, you can then download or print it so that you'll always have a copy on hand. A list of compatible parts that we offer at Fireparts will appear underneath the manual or parts list. If you want, you can add the items directly to your cart from here. You can also search for specific items at the top of the screen if you already know what you're looking for. You can navigate between documents by clicking on the link in the related manual section. If you want to look for another manual or parts list, you can simply click on the word Manuals near the top of the manual or parts list page. If you can't find the manual you're looking for, you can send in a missing manual report by clicking on the button marked Report Missing Manual. Enter as much information as you can, including manufacturer and model number, so that we can try and find what you're looking for and add it to our manuals database. If you have found the manual elsewhere, please include the link so that we can use it as a reference and add it to our list. If you enter your email address, we'll send you an email once the manual has been added to our database. You can also add any additional comments you may have before clicking the Send button.